Hello, everyone. Everyone is showing how to save money. These are some very hard times right now. Inflation has taken a rise, and we have to cut back and try to save money. And one of the main ways of saving money today is purchasing water. I want to show you what I do, and I'm not by no means advertising these filters, but these are the ones I use. This one here is an alkaline filter. This one here is a Brito. Alright, and this is the jug it goes in, and here's the Brito jug. But first, I want to show you what I do to help on my filters. Alright, I boil my water. The first thing I do is boil my water, and then after the water boils, I pour the water over here and here. And we let the water cool. Once the water cools, I bring this pot over here and I pour it in here. All right. All right, I got my water and I'm pouring it in here. The reason that I boil my water, you guys, is because boiling your water kills microorganisms such as bacteria and viruses that can cause disease. Boiling water makes the tap water microbiological safe. The filters reduces 99% lead present in tap water. So boiling your water before filtering it is a great way to save on filters, because with boiling your water, you're making your filters you're making your filters work less. Therefore, you can use these filters a little more. Then after I pour that water in there, I cover it up, and then I pour this one into here. Fill that up, and there you are. It's double filtered, double purified. Okay, then put your filter in the refrigerator. I hope this has been a good tutorial for you in reference to purifying your water, one of the ways of purifying your water, and stopping buying water out of the stores. We should be cleaning our water ourselves. At least you know where your water is coming from, and you know that your water is clean by doing this. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Please share and subscribe. I hope this has been a great help to you guys.